Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the National air conditioner. This is the on-off button, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We change the mode of the air conditioner with the help of the mode button. This air conditioner has 4 modes: drying, auto, heating, cooling. First, we will explain the cooling mode that users use most often. We recommend setting the temperature to 22-24 degrees in cooling mode. If you want the air conditioner to save electricity, set the temperature to 24 degrees or higher. We change the fan speed of the air conditioner with the help of the fan button. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, low, medium, high. You can choose a low speed so that the fan noise in the bedroom does not disturb you. We press the mode button and switch to dry mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When we press the mode button again, the word auto appears on the screen. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to keep the temperature in the house around 24 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is above 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner works in cooling mode, and when it's below, it works in heating mode. We press the mode button again and the word heat appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In this mode, we adjust the temperature of the air conditioner above 26 degrees Celsius. In this mode, setting the fan speed of the air conditioner to auto fan speed mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently. Because in this case, the fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor, we press the mode button once and return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons. This air conditioner has 2 buttons to adjust the movement of the blind. When the swing button is pressed, the blinds move up and down. When the manual button is pressed, we can stop the blinds in the direction we need. Some buttons of the remote control are located under the cover. To set the remote control clock, press the clock button. And with the help of these buttons, we can set the time. For example, PM 1:30. Press the clock button again to confirm. Setting the remote control clock is necessary for the timer to work properly. Sometimes it happens that we want our air conditioner to turn on for a certain time. For example, we return from work at PM 6 and we want our air conditioner to turn on at PM 5. For this, we press the timer on button and set the timer to PM 5 with the time buttons and press the set button. On timer, PM 5 appears on the screen. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Or when we want our air conditioner to turn off at AM 4, For example, we press the timer off button and set AM4 and press the set button. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. There is a sleep button here. We can use this button to sleep comfortably. Thank you for watching us until the end.